Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back once again. I really appreciate it. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I install the braids, the Durban Dread, with a color tip as I had promised. So this is how it comes out in a pack. I think it's 12 of each part, so this part is 12, has 12 braids, so I'm gonna cut it into half to make 24, and the other one has 12 as well. I'll cut it in half to make 24. So in this particular video I used 2 packets, that is 12 and 12, that's 24, cut into 2, that's 48. So I think it's 96. Yes, it all makes 96 items. The method is one and the same as the one I used on the previous video. If you haven't watched it, please do. I will link it down on the description box. This is basically how short my client's hair is, hence I used little braids as a base for the extensions. Guys, let me tell you, this is one install I enjoyed doing. I just enjoy the fact that you can play around with it. As you can see, on some braids I used blonde on top, and for the others I used black. So it's very diverse. You can install it at anyhow. You can use blonde as a root and then leave brown as a tip, as you wish. So it's very, very, very playful. Love it, Gesan. Love the outcome as well. So please do like this video, please do share it with your friends. The previous video I produced, the last time I checked, was on 74k views. So please view this video, please like it, please subscribe to my channel. Happy that I got to 1,000 subs. Please do subscribe. Can't wait to see you on my next videos. So yeah, let me end this one. If you want like a clear method, please go on to that previous video. I will link it on the description box, so please go and watch it. And this is the end of our video. I love you so much, and thank you so much for watching till the end. Peace out.